Hi, my name is Dr. Christy Mulkey, and I am so excited to be the new workshop coordinator for 240 Tutoring. I'm doing this short video to introduce you to myself and to the new services that we're going to be offering to help you best prepare for your exam. So first off, about me. I'm married, I have 4 children ranging in age from 5 to 17, so they keep me busy and definitely keep my teaching skills sharp. I have 20 years of experience in education. I have served as both a public school teacher, administrator, and worked in a variety of special programs. Recently, I was working in a university in their School of Education, helping people just like you prepare for their certification exams. My role at 240 Tutoring is going to be to help you do the same thing. And so we're going to be delivering live workshops, webinars, and free videos delivered through our social media platforms, including our main Facebook page, Facebook groups that are specific to different states and their tests, through our YouTube channel, and through Instagram TV. So if you're not following us on social media, you should definitely do that. Now, our videos are going to fall into 3 different categories. The first one is going to be me giving you some tips and general strategies to help you prepare for a standardized exam, such as those used for certification. The second category is going to be updates that we get from the state about your certification and your exams, and I'm just going to give those to you and help you understand any new requirements or changes that will impact you as you prepare to become an educator. The last category, and the one I'm super excited about, are content-specific videos. Those could be pedagogical content or subject-specific content. So we'll be creating videos on things you tell us you're struggling with or you need help with. And that will be either delivered pre-recorded or live, where you can actually comment and interact with me so that I can provide you the best assistance possible as you prepare for your exam. Now, with that in mind, I would love for you to drop some comments under this video telling us what you would like to see. So tell me, do you have specific questions you want answered or content that you're struggling with that you would like me to help you with? So we will be addressing those comments, as many of them as possible and as quickly as possible. Now, lastly, our mission is to help you be best prepared for that exam so that you can fulfill your dream of being an educator. I can't wait to work with you in the future. And again, my name is Dr. Christy Mulkey, and I'm with 240 Tutoring, and I will see you soon.